For supine shoulder extension, your setup will be lying flat on your back. We're using the table here. You could easily do this on the ground. Austin's gonna bend his right arm to 90 degrees at the elbow here. Now the intention is gonna be to drive his upper arm down into the ground. He's gonna engage the muscles on the back of his shoulder here, rear delts, things like his lat, to ramp up into that pressure, driving down into the ground until he gets to the desired intensity. Hold that for the desired amount of time, and then relax. Common compensation here is going to be pushing so hard that your shoulder starts to reach up towards the ceiling and your body starts to rotate. You can push hard, but you want to make sure that that doesn't happen. This all has to stay nice and locked in place. One more time, he's going to engage all these muscles on the backside of his arm and his shoulder. He's going to drive that upper arm down into the ground and maintain that, and then rest. Another alternative for this is having your arm straight. Intention still needs to be to move the upper arm here using your lat and your rear delt to drive that upper arm and the straight arm down into the table, maintaining that for the desired amount of time and intensity.